Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, what is the use of @factory annotation in TestNG? Let me answer. If you want to run the same class multiple times, then we can use this @factory annotation to create multiple instances for that class. That is, multiple objects for the class can be created with the help of @factory annotation, so that the same class is going to run multiple times. Whatever the test methods that are there inside the class are going to run multiple times. Okay, let me practically demonstrate this for you so that it will be more clear. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Okay, let's say there is a class, demo class. I want to run this demo class multiple times. Okay, I want to run the same demo class multiple times. Assume that. Okay, so in this demo class, I'll create some test method. Let's say one test method or one or more test methods you can create. For now, for sample, I'll create only one test method. Public void sample test. Okay, only one test method I'm creating. I am annotating this test method with @test annotation so that this normal method will become a TestNG test method. Over the mouse and import this @test annotation from TestNG. Now this method has become a test method. So whenever this test method is executed, I'll just print out, okay, inside sample test of demo class. Like this, I'll write, okay. Now, so if I run this class multiple times, the test method is going to run multiple times and this statement is going to print multiple times. That proves that, right? But how to run this same class multiple times? With the help of @factory annotation. Okay, with the help of @factory annotation, by using that @factory annotation, I'm going to create multiple instances for this class, and because of which this class is going to run multiple times. So for that to happen, I'll create one more class. I'll right click here in the same package and create a new class. I'll just name this as factory1, or you can give any name for this. I'm just giving factory1, say finish. And in this, I'll create a method public. And here there is a rule. Okay, for this particular method, there is a rule like we have to give the return type as object array. Okay, object array, and give some name, factory generator or whatever the name you want to give. Just give that. Okay, and here on the top of this, provide that annotation, that is TestNG annotation known as @factory annotation. Over the mouse on this and import this @factory annotation from TestNG. Okay, so just for this @factory and import this from TestNG library. Now, here we have to write some code. Okay. In this method, which is annotated with @factory annotation, I'm going to create multiple instances for this demo class. I want to run this demo class multiple times. Hence, what I'm going to do is in this method, which is annotated with @factory annotation, I'm going to write the code which will create multiple instances or multiple objects for the same demo class. Okay. So how to make that happen? I'll simply say object array obj is equal to, okay. Here I'll write the single quotes and single curly braces, and here I'll create objects. Okay, new demo. For demo class, I have to create the object. That's it. Okay, comma. How many objects you want to create? You can create new demo. Say two objects I created. Now three objects, third object, fourth object. How many objects you are creating? That many times the demo class is going to run. The test methods inside the demo class are going to run that many times. Here in this particular method, which is annotated with @factory, I created multiple instances for this demo class. That is around 5 instances I created. Finally, I have to simply say return obj. Okay, the errors will be gone. Now, simply run this particular class. Okay, simply run this class, and this class will invoke, since there are 5 instances, for every instance, this demo class will run and the test methods inside the demo class are going to run. So to prove that this particular class got run 5 times, because I created 5 instances here, okay, this statement is going to print 5 times in the output console. Okay, that proves that. Let me run here, right click, run as TestNG test. The same class is going to run multiple times. It got run, you see, 5 times it got run inside sample test of demo class, inside sample test of demo class, demo class, demo class, demo class. You see, 5 times it got run. Test method inside the demo class got run 5 times. Okay. So this is the purpose, or this is the use of @factory annotation in TestNG. where if you got a requirement where due to some XYZ reasons in your real-time project, if you want to run the same class multiple times by creating multiple instances or multiple objects for that class, we can use @factory annotation in TestNG. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.